Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change image opacity in Google Docs. Lowering image opacity is useful when you want to place a logo behind text as a watermark, create a soft background image without overpowering your content, or blend picture into the page so it doesn't distract from readability. So let me show you how you can do this. Firstly, we want to insert our image, so I'm going to click on Insert image and I will insert it from my computer, but you can use any option you want. So let's say I have this parrot over here, and first way I'm gonna resize it to make it a little bit smaller. Then let's say we would like to put this behind the text, so you can choose behind the text, or you can go in front of the text, break text, or even wrap this image around the text. So I will select behind the text. Now I'm gonna select fixed position on page so I can move this image freely. Now we can make this larger, so it's going to be on the whole page. And once the image is selected, you want to find image options at the top menu. And here where it says adjustments, you have three options. You can play with the brightness, you can play with the contrast, and if you want to change the opacity, you just have to drag this slide bar. And you can make it maybe, I don't know, 30%. I'll leave this on you. And you can close this basically, and you have changed opacity of your image in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.